Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel where we make the complex, sometimes scary world of crypto feel like an absolute walk in the park. But wait, before we get into the nitty-gritty of the setup, I need you to do me a massive favor. Check out that special link I've dropped right down in the description and the pinned comment below. If you sign up using that specific link, you're going to unlock a massive. If you use this link, you're actually going to receive a 20% spot discount and a 20% futures kickback. That's a double bonus that most people totally miss out on. Go ahead and click that link and let's get you set up and ready to trade together step by step. All right, step number 1 is getting you officially registered on the platform. Once you've clicked that community link below, you'll land right on the main Binance sign up page. You have the choice to roll with your email or your mobile phone. Go ahead and enter your email, then make sure you give those terms and conditions a quick look over. Check the box at the bottom to show you're on board and hit that big continue button. Right away, Binance is going to send a 6-digit verification code to your email or phone just to keep everything official and secure. This is basically them making sure it's really you. Grab that code from your messages and type it in and click continue. Now, let's talk passwords. You want this to be a tough one to crack. Think of it as the vault for your future gains. Make sure it's at least 8 characters long, and you've got to include at least one number and one uppercase letter to keep the security system happy. Once you hit enter, your account is officially created. If a screen pops up asking for an inviter code, just double check that it's there so you definitely get those reward I promised you earlier. All right, moving on to step 2, the KYC identity verification. Now, I know KYC sounds like a boring legal term, but it's actually what lets you start depositing your funds and trading for real. So it's a must-do because it involves a facial scan, which is basically just a high-tech selfie. It is way, way easier to finish this part on your phone. So go ahead and grab your phone, download the Binance app from the App Store or Play Store, and log in. You'll see the verification screen pop up right away as soon as you open it. First, just confirm your country so they know which rules apply to you. Then you can pick your ID, a national ID, a driver's license, or even a passport. All work great. Select Take Pictures as your method and click Continue. Now, just snap a clear, bright photo of the front and back of your ID. After that, just fit your face into the oval frame on the screen and follow the little instructions like nodding or blinking. Last, confirm your additional personal information, including your full name, date of birth, and home address, then click Continue. After that, select your occupation and click Continue again. Lastly, choose your industry category and click Continue one final time. The review process normally takes around 5 minutes, and after approval, you can confirm that your KYC verification has been completed successfully. Finally, we have to make sure your account is as safe as a high-security vault with 2FA or two-factor authentication. Head back over to your computer for a second and go to the Security tab under the Account menu. Look for the Authenticator app section and click Manage. When you hit Enable, Binance is going to send one more verification code to your phone or email just to be extra safe. Enter it to reveal the QR code on your screen. Now, open up the Google Authenticator app on your phone. If you don't have it yet, it's a super quick download. Open it, hit Get Started, and I usually select Use without signing in to keep it simple. Tap Add a code and then scan a QR code. Now just point your phone's camera at your PC screen and scan that code. Boom! You'll see a 6-digit code for Binance start popping up and changing every few seconds. Head back to your computer screen, hit Next, type in the 6 numbers currently showing in your app, and click Submit. And just like that, you are fully protected, fully verified, and ready to dominate the markets. Please like this video. Happy trading.